The CEO of Russia's Rostec State Corporation has said that Russia is holding talks with India on starting the production of S-400 air defense systems locally in India. He also added that India has already acquired the license for the production of a lot of Russian technology, such as the Su-30 fighter jet BrahMos systems and T-90 tank, and both countries are discussing ways to further advance bilateral cooperation. The advance payment for S-400 systems have been received, and the first batch will be delivered to the Indian Air Force within 18 months. According to latest reports, the Indian Air Force has started receiving the first batch of Spice-2000 systems from the Israeli firm Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. The Spice-2000 systems have been delivered to the Gwalior base, as it is the home base of the Indian Air Force's Mirage 2000 fighter jets. The Indian Air Force had signed a contract with Israel in June 2019 for acquiring more than 100 Spice-2000 systems under the emergency procurement powers given to the service chiefs by the Modi government. The Indian Army has prioritized the modernization of its Rashtriya rifles, and the units will be the first to be provided with better rifles and tactical unmanned aerial vehicles, and protective equipment such as bulletproof helmets and jackets. The Indian Army is also examining whether engines of its tanks and tracked vehicles such as infantry combat vehicles can be made in India, while 9 types of ammunition can be manufactured by the private sector, which will also reduce the dependence on imports. The Indian Defence Minister is expected to visit Australia in November, when both countries are likely to sign mutual logistics support agreement and a broader maritime cooperation agreement, which will lead to greater interoperability and will elevate the strategic partnership. India has already signed a similar agreement with the US, France, South Korea, Oman, Philippines and Singapore, while agreements with Japan and Russia are in advanced stages. The Indian Army is all set to conduct its first recruitment drive in the Kashmir Valley on the 3rd and 4th October, which will be conducted to fill about 3,000 vacancies. This recruitment drive comes after completion of the recruitment drive for the Jammu region, in which over 29,000 youths from various districts got themselves registered.
Omar dropped it.